event organized by the Litera organization is now starting as they celebrating the English Month celebration. Live at URS Antipolo, Gilby Clark Malooy, what's the update there?
Here we are at the University of Rizal System, Antipolo campus, to witness the event of the Litera organization. The participants will join and strive the challenges of this event. We are going to interview one of the head committee who know the event all about and the rules that the participants should follow. So, let's go.
Said by the meaning, you will choose either English to Filipino song or Filipino song to English. So meron po kami ditong hinanda at mamaya kapag tumagot po kami sa inyo.
Anong event pong meron yan?
Bali, ginaganap po ngayon yung song translation competition as part of Litera Month celebration na annual activity po.
Okay. So, ano po ba yung mga rules na nagaganap ngayon sa song translation?
Sa song translation competition po, kinakailangan ng mga participants na i-translate yung kanta either English to Filipino or Filipino to English na gamit yung sariling knowledge nila. Ibig sabihin po, hindi po pwede dito ang phones, pero provided po na pwede silang magdala ng dictionary.
Anong experience nyo during the event? Pwede ko kong malaman?
Challenging po siya kasi kumbaga hindi kami ma-words ng mga Pero naging masaya po siya kasi nilaro po namin sa paraan na kami din yung nakakaintindi. So yun po, masaya po siya.
That's it for the event for the Litera organization. I am Gilbert Clark Timalaoy. Back to you, Abitria.